Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Expedition Limited and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Ford Expedition is equipped with third row power folding seats and those seats are not working. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. The fuse you need will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is very easy accessible. It's right here. Now to remove this cover, you'll have two black tabs, one on the right side, one on the left side. So you want to press onto each of the tabs to unlock it and leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 70, which is located just down here, and it's a 40 amp fuse. Hopefully this fuse will be burned out, and just by replacing it that will fix your problem. If not, you'll have to dig a bit deeper and start looking towards the power folding seats switch and the wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.